If you created a YouTube channel and you want to understand how YouTube monetization works and how you can get your monetization fast, watch this video to the end. Today, I'm going to be explaining how YouTube monetization works. If you know you created a YouTube channel and you want to get monetized fast, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you learn how YouTube monetization works and how you can get monetized very fast. Now, we are going to be starting with the YouTube Partner Program and what it is. Now, the YouTube Partner Program allows creators to earn money when advert is placed on their YouTube video. And to get into the YouTube Partner Program, you should have up to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, or you should have up to 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views within 90 days on YouTube. For long form videos, that's long videos you create, you should have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within a period of 365 days. And then if you want to use shorts, the part of shorts to get monetized, you should have up to 10 million short views within 90 days and 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be explaining this in a simpler term. To understand how your 4,000 watch hours work and how you can get to it quickly, you need to understand this. Now, for your 4,000 watch hours, your YouTube short views does not count. It does not count for you to get to your 4,000 watch hours. The only thing that counts is the long form videos that you create. That's why if you are creating videos on YouTube and you are looking for monetization, you are always advised to create long form videos. But it is not just about creating long form videos and getting lots of views. It's about creating long form videos and at the same time being able to retain people for them to watch your video to the beginning and from the beginning to the ending. If you are creating your videos, you need to focus on having more watch time than views. Now, you might think these two things are the same, but they are not the same. Watch time is different from views, and I'm going to be explaining it to you. Now, if you create a 10 minutes video, and six people view that video, that is 6 views. Now, if one person, let's say that video is 10 minutes, if one person views that video for the full 10 minutes, watch that video for the full 10 minutes, since that video is 10 minutes and the person watched it fully, it is going to count as one watch time. It is going to count as one watch time. Now, if 6 persons and one watch time is 10 minutes, that's the duration of the video. If 6 persons watch that 10 minutes video, it's going to be 10, 10, 10, which is 60 minutes, and 60 minutes make 1 hour, which is one watch hour. Now, if you have people coming into your YouTube channel and then they see your video and they just click on it, and then in the next 2 to 3 minutes, let's say your video is 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and the next 1 to 2 minutes they leave, it's going to count as view, but it's not going to count as watch time because they did not really stay to watch the video. So if you want to get to your watch hours fast, you need to learn how you can retain people to be able to watch your videos till the ending. You need to learn how to retain people so that they'll be able to watch your video to the ending, or even if they don't watch your video to the ending, at least they'll be able to watch at least 50% of your video so that your watch time will increase. Apart from the fact that people that just come, click on the video and leave, apart from the fact that they will just add to your view and then they are not adding to your watch hours, there's something they also do to your video. There's something they do to your video, and that's the fact that they make YouTube not to take your video to a lot of persons. They make YouTube not to take your videos to a lot of persons. Because when people come to your channel or when people see your video and then they just click on it and in the next 1 to 2 minutes, their heart, YouTube already will be like, it seems this video is not interesting, let's not promote it. But if your video, people watch it to the very end, YouTube already will likely take it to more persons. So if you are creating YouTube videos, make sure you are creating YouTube videos that are of value, and at the same time make sure you are creating YouTube videos that has the ability to retain people that has the ability to retain people. And you can do that by telling people, okay, number three is going to be the most interesting tip. Number four is going to be the most interesting tip. Make sure you watch to the end. You can do that by telling people to do something like that. Then the next thing you should do if you want to get your monetization, and then you want to get your monetization fast, avoid sub for sub. Avoid sub for sub. They are going to destroy your channel. They are going to destroy your channel. Avoid fake subscription sites. Avoid sub for sub. They are going to destroy your channel. Instead, create valuable videos, and then in the middle of the video, tell people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Sometimes, even if you don't tell people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, they will subscribe. And as you are watching, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you know you are getting value from this particular video, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you that a new video has been dropped. Another thing you should avoid in your YouTube channel is copyright. Let's say you are using copyright music, you are posting other people's videos and all that. Now, I remember recently where an actress was very angry because somebody reported her YouTube channel that her channel was using somebody else's music. Meanwhile, it was her music, and she was very angry. Now, let me tell you, it is not just about losing money on that particular video. If you get a lot of strikes in your YouTube channel, let's say you get 3 strikes in your YouTube channel, they will terminate your channel. They are going to terminate your channel. So avoid using music that is copyright. Avoid using music that is copyright. Avoid using other person's music. There are a lot of music that you can use on YouTube that is free for commercial use, that is free for you to use. While there are people that put full rights on their music, you cannot use them. So don't use people's music that put full rights on their music. And if you are using, let's say you are creating a pasted YouTube channel and you are generating music using an AI tool. Most of these AI tools, they'll tell you to attribute them. They'll tell you to reference them. They'll tell you to tell people that this is where you generated your music from, in order for them not to see it and then complain to YouTube that this is copyright material. Just do that to avoid trouble. Do that to avoid trouble, because it will be totally an error for you to build to 4,000 watch hours and then you get your 1,000 subscribers, and at the end of the day, that just small mistake will just lead to termination of your YouTube account. Another thing you need to do is this. If you are creating a YouTube channel and then you want to go through the route, remember I said that there are 2 ways you can get monetized. Number one is having 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers using long form videos. And number two is having 10 million views and 10 million short views on your shorts within 90 days. Now, if you are going for this, if you are going for 4,000 subscribers, sorry, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers for long form videos within 365 days, you cannot afford to be posting 3 minutes video, 4 minutes video, 6 minutes videos that are not valuable. Instead, post long form videos that are valuable, and make sure when you are posting it, you are retaining people. You are retaining people. You are keeping your videos engaging so that people will watch to the end. Because it is when they watch to the end that you're able to get your 4,000 watch hours and your 1,000 subscribers. And then there's something some persons do, and then should I say they will think they are wise, but they are not really wise. Now, there's something a lot of persons do, and that's they will create very short form videos and then post it as videos. Now, you must understand something. Your short is not going to count among your 4,000 watch hours. And your long form videos is not going to count among your 10 million shorts. So if you are posting short form videos, make sure they are in shorts. Make sure they are in short so that they will get you to your 10 million watch hours fast. If you are posting long form videos, make sure they are in the video part of YouTube. Lastly, when you meet the requirements, there are different ways you can be paid on YouTube. You can be paid when through ad revenue. That's when YouTube places ads on your videos, you will be paid. Number two, you can be paid by setting up a store, and then when people buy from you, you will get paid. Now, I don't know if you have seen YouTube channels that at the bottom of the video, you will just see products in an online store just listed at the bottom of the video. Now, if you get to your 4,000 watchers and get to your 1,000 subscribers, you'll be eligible for something like that. And you can list your products on YouTube. And then when somebody buys, you get paid. Now, you can be paid through super. That's when people give to you. You can be paid through membership. And then you can earn money through shorts. Now, money earned through shorts is not really that big compared to long form videos. That's why most times I advise people to go for long form videos instead of shorts. We have come to the end of this video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button and then turn on the notification bell so that when I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you. So it's bye for now and see you next time.